Okay, so let's take a look at how you can add Dropbox to one of the app. Before that, it needs to be added into Zapier. So if you check the app section within the sidebar of Zapier, there must be option for Dropbox, right? So I will type in Dropbox. Right here you can see already have one connected, and once connected it will show up like this, and it requires you to manually give permission as well. Right, I already have one of the file, so again take a look at the available zaps option. You see currently we don't have any zap, but can create one. For example, we go to dashboard, and take a look at create new Dropbox paper talk when Outlook email arrives. Right, let's see if it has any zap. Here you can see new email arrives, it will create text file in Dropbox. So you can take a look at one of that. Okay, so we have selected Outlook, continue with testing the trigger, and next thing we are going to take a look at the email option for the selected record. Now we can create text file every time email comes in, right? So we move to Dropbox, let's choose space, we choose personal, then we give it a file name, say email1, right? And then file content, it should be, let's say, subject of email and body, right? So body preview and overwrite. So there has to be reason for overwriting, so I will set to true so that multiple zaps can be pushed to that text file. Let's test this. If status is okay, we can go ahead. It will also test one zap, so I will publish this, and let's see what works. So zap is published, and here you see Dropbox file email1 txt is created. So if I try to open this, double clicking, it should create a preview with one of the Outlook email subjects. Here you see, so this was the subject. So you get the idea how to create one of the connection with Outlook and